I just made a really interesting discovery in my own backyard, and I cannot wait to share it with you. What you're looking at here is two different types of butterfly chrysalis, but both are actually Gulf Fritillary. From my previous videos, you may have seen this caterpillar, which is the regular old Gulf Fritillary caterpillar, and it turns into this beautiful butterfly. The other day, though, I discovered this really interesting looking chrysalis, and I was like, wonder who they are. Let me look them up, because they were right next to this other Gulf Fritillary butterfly chrysalis. It was really striking to me that it was kind of iridescent and it had these yellow little spiky knobs on them. And a few days before that, I saw this red-looking Gulf Fritillary butterfly caterpillar, and I was like, you don't look like the others. Who are you? Who is she? So of course I had to look into it, and I discovered that this is the variegated Gulf Fritillary butterfly caterpillar. Both varieties of Gulf Fritillary use the passion vine as their host plant. And so I've discovered their cocoon, finally. Last year I saw a few of these variegated caterpillars, but I never did find the chrysalis, so it was so surprising to find it this year. And this is what the butterfly looks like. Isn't it pretty?